Hi Stampers, it's Liz Holloway at stampersplus.com and welcome to my Wishing Well tutorial. This is actually for my mother on Mother's Day, and I'm going to show you how to create the Wishing Well part as well as these flowers, and it will probably come in two parts of the video. So let's get started. All my instructions will be sent to you by PDF, and it's free, and all you have to do is put in a comment into my blog and I will send you a PDF, and you can follow along how to create this wishing well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a piece of cardstock, and you're going to score this at 1 inch increments. Okay. Fold all these inward. And then I'm taking the same size and folding that in half. This is my construction piece. And I'm going to add tape close to the fold line. And you want a good tape, like Suk Wang or red tape. Taking the one end and align the edge to the fold line. Now take your other end and attach it as well, ensuring that it's butt together. Okay, just like so. Then what I have done was already 12 of these strips, and you're going to emboss it in the wood grain embossing folder, and ensuring that the grain goes the proper way. So you can either glue or tape. In this case, because for the video, I'm just going to tape it.
Hey, if you want to play, make it about a place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration. All I'm saying is you can do it. Say, I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say, yes, I am. Destiny require every dream to believe. Take the chance, lead the dance, and run with what is in your heart. Let the magic start. You're in charge. Yes, you can. What's the plan? Come on, let's do this and do it now. I wanna hear you shout. I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes,
Okay, so now the barrel is completed. Okay, and so what you're going to end up doing is that you can have leftover strips, just like I have here, and rather than wasting the strips, you're going to attach it on the top and on the bottom of the barrel. And these are cut from my A2 cardstock and just embossed in wood grain. And then the two strips should wrap around the actual barrel, and if not, then I'll just add more pieces. And it doesn't matter where you start, either in the middle or on the creased edge. And what I did was I'm doing is lining up the edge to edge This one I'm butting it right against the last ending piece. And if something like this happens, all you're going to do is you take your two-way glue or your multi-purpose glue, just apply a little bit of glue, hold it down in place so it tacks. Okay, and I have a small strip left over here, so I'm going to here's my ending strip right here. Okay. And you can overlap it if you want. It's not necessary. There you go. I have just overlap it just by 1/4 of an inch. So repeat around the bottom as well. I won't do it in this video's sake. And ensuring that it's well secured. So the next step is that you want to create your post. Your post is actually it's made from chipboards, so you have 2 of the 1/2 inch and 2 at the 1/4 inch. And remember, like I said, these measurements will be sent to you by PDF form, and you can actually download it and follow me along. Okay, here's this. We're going to create the post. So you're going to start off with your skinny piece, and you're going to add adhesive on that, and ensuring that you line up right to the edge of your cardstock. Just like that, see how it's lined up to the cardstock? And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to crease that really well. Chipboard. And all you're going to do is leave a chipboard space. When I say a chipboard space, you're going to take your chipboard and you're going to butt that right against that chipboard. Okay, so when you remove the chipboard, it's about this thick. See this thickness? Okay, fold my edge again. You want the skinny chipboard out. Again, chipboard thickness. And add your last piece of chipboard on. Okay, this time, take your khaki tape or red tape, soup bang tape, whatever tape you use to make 3D stuff. One thing about the red tape, I find it hard to actually peel it back. Okay, so you have that. And then align your chipboard so that it actually looks like this. Okay, can you see that? Okay, just making it square and ensuring that it seals. Take your bone folder and burnish the sides. Okay, so then at this point you want your hot glue gun warming up right now, and what I'm going to do is actually take this and attach it with my red tape. You know that the length of your barrel is 3. So what I'm going to do is take my tape and start from here And all I want is to go 3 inches high. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Right about there. If you go past 3 inches, your tape is actually going to show. Go to the other side. Okay. Okay, burnish, making sure it sticks. The red tape sticks. And remove the red tape. And how you're going to do is you're going to take the one side and align this first post just like so. Okay. Take your second post, repeat the steps again. From the 6-inch, 1, 2, 3. Second strip. Tape is clear. I don't know about you guys, but I find that it's so hard to concentrate talking, so hard to talk at the same time as creating, and I haven't gotten used to that just because my process is thinking and I can't talk and think at the same time. Okay, so then what you want to do is have this post on the opposite end, just right on center of the panel. Okay, just like so. When you're creating this, you see how deep the barrel is right here. You don't want all your flour to actually sit past maybe 1/2 inch in depth. So what I've done was I created a circle which is 3 3/4 inch from side to side, and all I'm going to do is take a strip of my construction paper. What I call construction is actually a piece of cardstock that's 12 inches by 1 inches, and all I did was I scored it in half. So then I'm going to take this, take my red tape, add it to the construction piece. I just want to do it on one side. The next side, right, the actual circle piece, what I'm going to do is actually take this and snip about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch tab. Okay, so I'm going to snip that, and then you're going to repeat on the other side, ensuring that it's on center. Okay, so it's about there, and I'm going to just eyeball it and then push the tab in. And what happens is that when you push the circle piece in, these tabs are actually going to go right around the post. Okay, if you can see that.